Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel with another interesting video. I hope you all are doing well. So in this video we'll be recreating this Sabhayasachi Lehenga, which is one of my favorite. So I decided to recreate this design for one of my close friend as she wants her lehenga to be very simple, elegant and graceful as well. But here is a twist that I have to recreate the lehenga with this side. Isn't it interesting? Yeah. Anyways, let me tell you why I have choose this design, because if you can see, the sari has some beautiful elephant prints on the bottom which signifies the royalness itself, and if you can see the blouse, it is the main lead of the full outfit because it has a beautiful cut on its bodice and the band structure neck, which is a very much graceful and appropriate for this sari. So I thought, why not to try this on. So in this video I'll be sharing you the cutting and stitching of the blouse first, and lehenga you'll be seeing part 2. And one thing more, if you guys new here, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more such interesting videos. And without any further delay, let's get started. So let's quickly check out today's requirements. Main fabric, sari, satin lining, inch tape, my bodice patterns and the scissors. Now let me cut 80 centimeters from the whole sari to complete my blouse. After that, I have fused it by using fusion paper, and then I will draft and cut the back side and the sleeves by using the measurement. After keeping this aside, I will use the remaining fabric for drafting my patterns over it. For that, I have used this taping technique on my dress form for drafting my patterns. Now I will trace it on the main fabric and make them cutouts. Then I'll do the numbering and arrange them accordingly. Now time to chop the lining using the same method. Then I'll place the cutouts of lining on the one side and the cutouts of main fabric on the another side. Now firstly I'll stitch the bust area and then I'll stitch the bottom portion as well. After that I'll do the overlapping on the wrong side, as you can see, and then I'll stitch the edges. So as you can see, I'm giving some cuts on the neckline. So this is the very important part for making a very sleek and finished neckline. Here I'm checking the bust line on my dress form whether it is accurate or not. Yeah, it gives a nice fit and shape. Now let's attach the second most important cutout on the bust line, which gives a very nice fit and the perfect support to the whole blouse. Now stitch it by joining the lining and the main fabric together. Once we have done, let's weave both the parts together on a straight line. This is what the actual shape which I wanted to give. Now after that, I will place this black lace on the neckline area so that it gives a very nice effect. And also it can match with the bottom of the lehenga. Same way I have used the black lace on the back side of the blouse and also used the adjustable door on both the sides. Now I'm gonna join both the shoulders first, then I will attach the sleeves on both the armholes as you can see. After joining the sleeves, I'll fold the waistline and I'll give a small cut on the back for the hook attachment. After completing all such, so this is the final outcome of the blouse and it looks amazing. Yeah, this is it. So you guys tell me how it looks, and if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to see the second part also. In that I will tell you how to make the lehenga. Till then, take care of your friends and family, drink lots of water, and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye, love you all, see you soon.